Have you ever wondered if using SoFi comes with a hidden cost? Many people are curious about whether SoFi charges a monthly fee. In this video, we'll dive deep into the details and answer your burning question: does SoFi charge a monthly fee? Before we get into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand what SoFi is all about. SoFi is a financial technology company that offers a range of financial products and services, including personal loans, investing, and banking. They've gained popularity for their user-friendly platform and competitive rates. Now, let's tackle the question that brought you here: does SoFi charge a monthly fee? The answer is, it depends. SoFi's fee structure. SoFi's fee structure varies depending on the specific product or service you're using. Here's a breakdown of the fees you might encounter. SoFi Money. SoFi Money is a cash management account that offers features like direct deposit, debit card, and ATM fee reimbursements. There's no monthly fee for SoFi Money. SoFi Invest. SoFi Invest is an investment platform that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. While there's no monthly fee for SoFi Invest, you might incur fees associated with trading or investing in certain products. SoFi Personal Loans. SoFi offers personal loans for various purposes. The interest rate on a SoFi personal loan is the primary fee you'll pay. There's no monthly fee associated with the loan itself. SoFi Credit Card. SoFi's credit card comes with no annual fee. However, you might incur fees like late payment fees or foreign transaction fees if applicable. Additional fees. While SoFi doesn't charge a monthly fee for many of its core products, it's important to be aware of potential fees that might apply in certain situations. These could include overdraft fees. If you overdraw your SoFi Money account, you might incur overdraft fees. Foreign transaction fees. When using your SoFi debit card or credit card for international transactions, you might be subject to foreign transaction fees. Early withdrawal fees. If you withdraw funds from a SoFi investment account before a certain holding period, you might face early withdrawal fees. Comparing SoFi to traditional banks. One of the reasons why SoFi has gained popularity is its competitive fee structure compared to traditional banks. Many traditional banks charge monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and other fees that can add up over time. SoFi's focus on eliminating unnecessary fees has made it a compelling alternative for many consumers. So, to answer the question, does SoFi charge a monthly fee? Generally, no. SoFi does not charge a monthly fee for its core products like SoFi Money, SoFi Invest, and personal loans. However, it's important to understand the specific fees that might apply to individual products or services. Before making a decision, it's recommended to carefully review the terms and conditions of any SoFi product you're considering. By understanding the fee structure and comparing it to traditional banks, you can make an informed choice about whether SoFi is the right financial partner for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.